Thank you so much, Dr. Narayanan, for joining us on this very important topic. Since morning, we have been discussing different aspects of foundational literacy and numeracy. I know that you come from a foundation which is spending huge amount of money, energy on this foundational literacy part also. So just for the knowledge of the audience here, Dr. Pratibha Narayan is the head of Shikshagraha Center of Excellence, which is part of Shibulal Philanthropy Initiative, right? And she is also the co-founder of Involve Learning Solution Foundations. So, Dr. Narayan, first of all, we would like to understand your work on FLN. What are the kind of work you have been doing? How long you have been involved, and what is the kind of innovation that you have brought to FLN?
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me here, the entire team. Firstly, it's great following up with such eminent speakers. I think the conversation in the previous panel was very, very interesting. The work that Involve Learning Solutions has been doing on FLN is around how do we bring pedagogical innovation to foundational learning. And very similar to what ma'am talked about with alpha pedagogy, we also rely on the use of peer-based pedagogy, so collaborative learning as an approach to improve foundational literacy and numeracy in students. So we have senior students who have mastery over FLN, teaching junior students in small groups. And through that process, they build FLN and leadership. So that's the pedagogy that we've been working with for the past 8 years now. We work very extensively in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka as regions. And we are focused on, again, like Kirti ma'am mentioned, working with the government to unlock the movement. At the same time, as part of Shibulal Family Philanthropies, what we're also building is, and this is an open invitation to all of you, to look at how do we do this as a movement rather than as individual organizations. How do we see this as a larger movement that can take shape? So what we've been building together with many organizations is called Shikshagraha, which is inspired from the Satyagraha movement to say, can we bring together Samaj, Sarkar, Bazaar and Sanchar to solve for the most urgent need crisis in education in India, and FLN being one of the key thematic pillars that we want to solve through these 4 units coming together essentially. So that's the work that we've been doing at Involve and at Shikshagraha.
Wonderful. So I understand that you have been working with different corporate partners as well. Now, when you do those on-ground activities and concerns have already been expressed in the earlier panel, that till the point that corporates support those initiatives, they continue and sustain, but after that, sustenance is the big issue that they face for any project that they fund for, right? So what is the kind of measurement tool or maybe those innovative designs that you have which sustains those initiatives for long-term objectives?
That's a great question. So the absolute belief is that funding CSR or individual is catalytic in nature. It cannot be the only source of solving the problem. It needs to catalyze the change, which then needs to somehow embed in the system's practice for it to continue further. And that embedding of change requires certain program design so that it creates enough roots in the system for it to stay. Some of the things that we've recognized really are critical, and I could see a lot of teachers, ARPs in the room as well, is the whole idea of motivation and celebration. When we do interventions, we often just tell people to do and expect them to deliver. But for a system to continue doing those, they need to really feel a sense of motivation to be able to deliver those. And how do we therefore, in the system, design ways where people can feel motivated? So whether that is teacher motivation, whether that is motivation of key stakeholders, so how do we design those spaces, and how do we design more opportunities like this to celebrate stakeholders who are doing interventions that are working? So those 2 pieces we believe are critical to the design of programs at scale. And another thing that we have strongly believed is that let's not think about just scaling what works. Working at scale is a different game. And how do you look at funding catalytically for working at scale and have program design which includes motivation, design, and system embedded design? That would be critical for us.
Right. So one thing about innovation is that there is a lot of expectations from the partners or those who are working on ground or implementing directly to bring innovations in the program design or the sustenance or the impact that it creates, right? So as a group or as an organization which does a lot of work on that part, takes inspiration from corporates also. Where do you see corporates, funders, and private sector players coming with some kind of innovative ideas to be integrated in the kind of programs that you implement? So, what is your expectations from those funders coming together to support these kind of FLN in terms of bringing innovation to it?
Absolutely. I think, like I said, the whole theory is saying get Samaj, Sarkar, Bazaar, Sanchar together. And all of them play an equal role. So Samaj being community, non-profits, CSOs, Sarkar being the government, Sanchar being the media, and then Bazaar being the corporates or the funder ecosystem, and how they are all critical to this piece. So where the corporate or the funder ecosystem comes in innovation, innovation requires risk appetite because innovation doesn't always work. That's the nature of innovation, is that it is possible that there will be failures and that it may not always hit the mark. It could be a slow burner. धीरे धीरे हो सकता है कि वो बढ़े, but initially शायद वो बहुत ज़्यादा ना दिखे. It may take many years. वो root लेने में system में उसको 4-5 साल लग जाते हैं. तो उस nature की funding needs to be available for organizations to be able to do innovation, कि वो एक patient capital या trust based catalytic capital जिसको बोला जाता है, which allows us to innovate, fail, reiterate, learn. Like ma'am was saying that coming from a research background myself, that research is critical to success of programs, and उस research के लिए एक trust based capital लगता है, which I feel if the ecosystem starts to generate more, it will really catalyze everything.
Right. So last couple of questions. One is that with the evolving technology interventions in our education system, what are the changes that you foresee in next 5 to 7 years coming in FLN, basically in FLN area?
So I think in this regard, Shibilal Family Philanthropies has been a big technology partner, also supporting a lot of technology initiatives. बहुत कुछ exist करता है within the government infrastructure. There is Diksha, which is already present, can be strengthened. There are other tools. UP, I know, has its own tools that we are using. So there are existing technology infrastructure जो कि है. I think it's more about us increasing the rate of adoption of existing tools rather than कि हम और नए tools create करें. जहाँ ज़रूरत है definitely करें, but जहाँ हमारे पास tool है वहाँ पे focus किया जाए. How do we increase the adoption? How do we push the rate of it moving into the hands of the last mile, last stakeholder के पास कैसे पहुँचाया जाए, and उनको कैसे ease of use किया जाए instead of making it so complex that they are filling the same form 5 different times, which is redundancy. तो क्या हम लोग ease of use improve कर सकते हैं using technology rather than just bombarding with technology? So that would be the direction that we are interested in looking at, and कैसे collaboratively किया जाए. Why recreate जब reuse किया जा सकता है तो?
Correct. So the last question. While we see there is alpha pedagogy that we are talking about, you yourself have been doing experiments and creating something that is very close to, which is very effective in implementing FLN kind of learning and reading learning processes. Now, where do you see the convergence among different kind of paddhati that we have, and what you think needs to be done to bring in more effectiveness, to draw strengths from each of these paddhati together and what stakeholders should be doing for that?
I love this question. It's my pet peeve. कि कई जगहों पे where we are working, in fact we have a sir here from Karnataka as well. So we work extensively in Bangalore, in Koppal, in Chikballapur. And we have seen that there are blocks or schools where there are so many organizations intervening. There are 4 organizations doing the same thing, same intervention, and they're not talking to each other. And what that creates is just multiple organizations bombarding the teacher and the student with the same thing. Instead, if we all were to come on a table and say, okay, aap kya kar rahe ho, aap kya kar rahe ho, can we stack against each other? If you are addressing this problem, can I not address the same problem the same way? Can I look at what else is needed? Can I find the right gap? And that requires all of us to be on the table. That requires me, that requires the government, that requires the CSR funder, that requires the other non-profits, everyone to be on the table. And that's what we are saying Shikshagraha is about. Ki everyone come on the table and say what you're doing, ताकि हम लोग actually goal post की तरफ move करें, not just serving, you know, it is always in my personal interest to grow my organization. लेकिन क्या हम goal post की तरफ move कर रहे हैं?
Wonderful thoughts, and that is where the Alliance for Global Alliance for FLN comes into picture. That we are trying to create. Nixon sir is sitting here. We'll be talking more about that in the afternoon session. But thank you so much for sharing those wonderful insights. Over to you, Ruchika.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Ashish, I'd like you to stay back, and Dr. Pratibha as well. And Nixon sir, could you please come on stage to felicitate ma'am? We'll break for lunch, and I request Devi Sansthan team to please usher our guest of honors and our panelists to the dining hall. Can we have the volunteers from Devi Sansthan to please usher them to the dining hall? Our speakers as well as our guest of honors.